Hi, it's Kristen from OurClassyLife.com coming to you from my driveway. Today I'm going to climb up here and clean and protect my roof. This is the first time I'm using this product. I do not receive any endorsements from the company, but my RV dealership did recommend it, and it's called RV Roof Cleaner and Protectant by BioKleen. I've read the instructions and I'll fill you in on what needs to be done once we get up top. Welcome to the roof of CeeCee. I already swept off the roof with a broom, and there wasn't a lot up here to sweep off because I just got home last night from a 4-hour drive, so the wind took care of that naturally for me. And there was also a nice rainstorm, so that might have helped get some of the debris off before I even got to this point. I had my girls help me get the tools that I need, and you can see what I've got. I've got this large bucket to use with my scrubbing cleaning brush. I also use this on the sides of my RV to wash it with the BioKleen product. And then I have a second mop, just a regular mop from my house, and this will be filled with clean water to rinse off the top of the RV. So if they can hand me the hose, the first step I'm going to do is rinse off the top, get it nice and wet, and then I'll start applying the product. Alright, so I have the water up here, and I'm just going to show you a close-up here of how dirty the roof is as a before. Yeah, hopefully the after will look very good. Alright, so I've just done this little corner of the roof, and already this is the clean side, this is the dirty side, and it did not take any effort at all. I do need to be careful up here. You might be able to see my footprints. It can get slippery, but I'm pretty seasoned at walking the roof of my camper in winter with ice and snow, so I feel pretty sure-footed up here, but be sure to be careful. Another tip is to start at the front end of your RV like I am doing, so that you don't have to walk across the clean portions, which you'll make them dirty again, or you'll slip on them. And by working your way back to the ladder, you can get off safely. So I'm going to crack at it and show you the finished product.